pants.
Yo, what's cracking?
Thanks, Joe Biden. What are you doing? That's us crying.
Crying?
I've never seen the other end of a dipstick.
That's why your van's blown up.
You never seen
You
the
didn't
other
check your oil.
You never seen the other end of your cock either, huh?
That's why your van's blown up. Son of a bitch. Now we know. This dude's like, I never check the oil.
I never check my fluids.
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 Yeah, there's a T in it. You didn't know.
Fluids.
Do you know the point in what he just did?
Yeah.
What is it?
The corners, they'll leak if you don't put our TV on them. See how there's that?
Oh, crap.
So you want to put some kind of sealant there?
Okay.
On the LS's, like what's in your van, they're notorious for leaking if you don't do that.
I heard if you put a piece of juicy fruit in here, it gives you like 4 more
Yeah,
horsepower.
you put them in this hole.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No one's talking.
Hey, go cram this Starburst or something. You bought some candy. All right. Well, that's not going on YouTube. That'll get us demonetized real quick. Good job. Push harder. Push harder.
Sir, do you know the torque specs to these bolts?
Yeah, send it till it goes ka with this end.
Right.
Torque. Steph.
You would stop talking.
I don't know what that just was.
Well, I wasn't sure if I was going to run it. I wasn't sure how I was going to get in. I know. I was waiting for y'all to say something.
That was so weird. It confused me because it didn't make sense. I was like, what is he? He must be doing something. I don't. Oh, no. He's just.
Just doing Nick things.
My name's Nick, and I like fast cars.
We're going to run.
Straight into the side.
Trim this out here a little bit. Be easy.
Wait, hold on, let me get the shot.
Cut a hole. Cut a hole right here.
Oh, I see.
Plug this up. Put the pipe become off here to like right here. And then here to here. And then we just put a coupler right here. Your rubber
Versus
coupler right
going
there.
out and around.
Yeah, because I mean, that's a lot.
All right. Let's get to it. To the time lapse.
He just took a sawzall to the front end.
Oh my God! What a racer! Shut up, nerd.
Race car.
That's a Civic. What's up?
So, look down here.
What are those?
A man walks out of his house without socks on.
A psychopath, 100%. Bye.
Where's he going?
Hopefully he goes home. He ain't going nowhere. I got the keys. I have the keys.
I have a spare key still with me.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Prove it.
I brought it just in case you went stupid.
Okay, pal.
Say it again.
All right, Nick, pick your tool for fighting. Did you shoot your pants?
Yep.
Oh,
I love it.
God,
Man.
dude.
Hey.
Don't come over here. Don't call him over here.
See how this hose is? Where you're gonna run that down like this.
We're gonna seal this off.
Hole we cut out back here is going to be the same size. We're going to take that and we're going to weld it on there.
Any last words?
You better hope it's my last words, is what I think.
Oh, there's no hoping. Any last words? That's it?
Just,
All right.
I love you, Mom.
I can't do it now.
My paint job looks like this. It does. You f***ed it up, though. All y'all wrecked the shit. All y'all wrecked shit. Y'all don't respect my paint job.
Look, it's not my fault people fucking pull out in front of me and I just gotta layer down gobbles. Can you believe I lost at the bike show at Smoky Mountain Small Bore Rally to a guy that didn't even have a wiring harness on his bike? He couldn't even drive it.
Yeah, that ghost harness.
If I would have known that, I would have took my shit off and
that way
just.
it looks cleaner.
kick pushed my ass down to the fucking rally spot.
Close enough.
No wiring harness will get you first place in a bike show.
That's rude.
Ride that wild rodeo bull.
There ain't no one to grab the front brake. I got no brake.
I wish I'd have got that on video, but
I didn't get on video already.
that's not supposed to be like that.
That shit f***ed me up.
Here, there you go. You got it now.
Bluetooth.
Dude, will you really come ride minis and explore Wilson with me? Because I had a lot of fun.
Dude, this dude just got his bike legal yesterday. Never ridden his Grom out and about. I said, why don't you come ride with us on Sundays? He said, you guys really ride? I said, we do 120 to 150 miles. He said, you really come explore Wilson with me? We ride all the time.
What do you mean by ride, though?
We ride. Go have fun.
Robert, where do you
Right the
Lots of beats in this video. And a lot of just Joey playing with pipe. Or pipe master. Ooh, he's one eyeballing it.
Gotta get that eagle eye on it.
You ready for this?
Yeah.
You see that? Perfect foam. That's gonna be the best beer you ever tasted.
It's got a blue ribbon. I hope so.
Look.
I guess I'm gonna cave and have one. At least Joey's got a fridge and keeps his beer cold, unlike some people.
I keep my beer cold. I just think that's all we need to take off.
What you gotta
That's all you need.
What? We're trying to trim
Gotta trim this. Trim this here bumper.
Is it hidden?
And you gotta trim it like here or something.
Is it hitting right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hitting the corners.
I figured if anything, it was gonna be right here because he was talking about trimming this. I was like, this is recess. I figured that
out
might.
probably like an inch from where it was. So.
Yeah. With those new wastegates.
Oh my god!
Stuffed pretzel. I don't even know if I want to eat that.
Do it.
That's half the bag.
I did not think he was gonna do it. That's why I didn't say anything. All right, Robert, let's try it again.
Robert said he's not even putting the combos down to do this.
Get on my side.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I got a little right here. See right here, Robbie? I'll have to just take it like that, merge it out. You know, fan like go that way some.
Yeah.
You want those little carbon fiber scoops there. Carbon fiber?
Carbon fiber.
I'm putting the downpipe on. And the drain line.
Dirt pile.
Hey, at least I
He didn't even clean up his dirt
I
pile
didn't know
from
what
last
the
time.
dustpan was. At least I got it up, dude.
You didn't even sweep up your dirt
Oh,
pile.
look at this. I had this little goddamn dustpan.
There's literally a dustpan right there. It was here last time too.
This is some homemade shit.
Yeah, my dad made that like before all this was born.
Hell yeah, I like it. But I didn't know what
No,
it
that's
was.
alright. You're good.
Man, if you don't talk crap about me, man, it's cool, man.
I was saying move it for the.
Hey,
I
Johnny.
got it. Or, you want him to be the one to do it?
No, you can do it. You're probably better at it.
Better hit
Yeah,
the button.
yeah. Hold on, wait, yeah.
Better hit the button.
Yeah. See?
Good job.
That's how you do it.
A lot less bitching involved.
You got it.
Nick said he didn't like the way these smell. Can you smell these for me?
Yikes.
Some dirty ass toes.
Hell yeah.
Dude, it's because they're blue cheese.
You like blue cheese?
I can't have cheese.
Oh yeah, you can't have cheese. That's right. That's probably fake cheese anyway.
Nah, I bet it ain't.
That fits perfect like a glove. My friend made me this. He's a real swell guy.
What are you doing right now, Nicholas?
We're making sure the downpipe's gonna go back on. Can we go ahead and go up now, Joski?
Don't tell me what to do. Oh no, my snacks.
Yeah, going up.
No. I like your stance while doing this.
Thanks, man. I love it, dude. I've been working on my stance.
You're in like a karate stance, like you're a point fighter for the UFC.
Yeah, I'm training. I gotta fight Floyd Mayweather coming
You know
up.
nobody likes point fighters, right?
I don't give a goddamn.
The sensor's tight.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. So, yeah. So I want this out of the way, skis.
You gonna go ahead and tighten?
Yeah.
Is it 11?
That's a 13.
Yeah, because they don't fuck with 12.
Fuck 12.
Oh yeah, I didn't film this.
Shut him out of here.
We weren't here for filming this. Good job, man. It looks good. You say you pressure tested it too?
Yeah, I had to.
Nice.
Oh, I didn't have it on 11.
We cut a hole. We filmed some of it, but we didn't film
I already found
him
it.
actually putting this on. So we cut a hole here and complete. Hey, I'm trying to talk here.
I'm sorry about that. My bad. God,
Go ahead, it's fine.
What's that thing on?
He put that plate here, welded it, and then welded this part of the tube on. So that
that's
way we
Nick's
can
idea. Thank you.
Run it.
I did it
Boom,
1,000 times.
straight in. Hey, shut up. I'm filming.
You got it.
Thanks.
That's the only place I'm worried about it leaking is up here, but there is 2 layers of weld. That top one just, all that paint and the fumes, because there's like paint in between. That's like a extra like piece.
Right here, playing with these hose. We got the whole return line on.
I will put an OEM one in there.
Yeah, we need a wrench that's about 6 to 9 inches long.
Okay.
We're having trouble getting that on because it's really close.
Hold on a second. What do you say?
It's so slow.
You find out why your car's so slow?
Right now I'm talking to Turbo Talk to help me figure it out.
Oh, okay.
Yo, what's cracking? Yeah.
They tell you to put a real LS behind that turbo?
It's like the ocean in here. They're telling me to throw this in the ocean.
Oh, it is a boat anchor.
Make it too big. Ooh, and I got it thin.
That's money.
Dang, well.
Eagle eye, baby. It's so tight I can't even get a good shot. That's why we made that little tool.
Wait, which way is tight?
Towards your office.
Like this way?
Towards this, Robbie. Turn this way.
This way.
Yeah.
You saw how much I fucking turned it?
Yeah, that was incredible actually.
I'm just born with like beautiful hips.
I can tell.
You about to get something on them hips.
Gross.
The hips don't lie.
Dude, I was about to say the same thing. All right, so he's going, adjusting our custom tool. I hear it tightening. Does it work?
Am I going the right way?
God, I hope so.
It's just
I
got
ain't
easy.
trying to.
It's got easy.
Got easy. It's like broker.
Yeah, you can't.
I can't see nothing.
Dude, it's so tight in
It's
there.
like a maze.
I can't even
You
get
can
a
see
shot.
what I can see.
Oh my god. God,
I just want the
good.
neck, nothing more. I can see now.
Yeah, I got a good view of it, Joey.
But not enough to put a wrench in there?
No,
Okay,
absolutely
so
not.
I can't get it to turn anymore.
Maybe it's tight enough.
It wasn't that loose.
Nah. Alright, that's good. Hell yeah!
Good job, dude.
Nope.
It's not tight?
Loose. See it right now?
Uh-huh. Nice. Homemade tool for the win. Homemade and
Then you get right
line
there and
winch.
you're like, huh.
Huh?
Then you get right here and you're like, what the fuck?
I just want the neck, nothing more.
Shut up.
Thanks, Joe Biden.
Chopper.